Hello friends, welcome to VK Lectures. In this lecture, we are discussing the physics question paper for Karnataka Set 2023. A Carnot engine works between a hot reservoir at temperature T1 and a cold reservoir at temperature T2. So efficiency is what is found to be found. Efficiency is given by 1 minus temperature of the cold reservoir minus the temperature of the hot reservoir. So according to the question, T1 is cold and T2 is hot reservoir. T1 is hot reservoir, so 1 minus T2 by T1. Now to increase efficiency, the efficiency, 1 minus T2 by T1 has to be increased. So if this has to increase, either T1 has to increase, so because this quantity should be least. Okay, so when you have T2 equal to 0, efficiency will be 100%. That is, the cold reservoir is a 0 temperature, you have efficiency. Now or the T1 has to go to infinity. Either T2 should be 0 or T1 has to go to infinity. So what happens to T2? T2 should decrease. T2 should decrease and T1 should increase. So according to the formula, 1 minus T2 divided by T1, T2 is cold reservoir and T1 is hot reservoir. We have found out that when T1 is increased and T2 is decreased, your the efficiency of the Carnot cycle or Carnot engine increases. Now let's take an example. This is for example, I have the T1 which is working at 2000 Kelvin and T2, the cold reservoir, which is working at 1000 Kelvin. We have T1 and T2, so efficiency is equal to 1 minus T2 by T1, which is equal to 1 minus 1000 divided by 2000, that's equal to 1 by 2. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to decrease the temperature of both T1 and T2 by 500 Kelvin. So T1 is now working at 1500 Kelvin while T2 is at 500 Kelvin. Now the efficiency eta is equal to 1 minus T2 by T1. T2 is 500 divided by 1500. So that's equal to 1 minus 500 by 1500 is 1 by 3. So it's equal to 2 by 3. So here the 1 by 2, that is 50% efficiency. Now here we have got 2 by 3, which is 66.67% efficiency. So when both the temperatures are decreased equally, even then your efficiency is increased. Okay, so according to the question, even both T1 and T2 should be decreased, or this also the possible answers. Okay.